Should you really pay to learn Power BI? Let's dive into this explainer and find out.
You want to boost your data career, right? But boom, you instantly hit a super expensive roadblock. Those flashy comprehensive courses? Yeah, they'll easily set you back anywhere from $200 to $500.
With a price tag like that, you're definitely going to hesitate. So let's explore the free self-study route first.
Microsoft offers a massive, totally free learning ecosystem. It literally takes you from basic fundamentals to advanced analytics.
Here's the danger. A lot of pricey courses just regurgitate that exact same free documentation right back at you.
Plus, a basic completion certificate simply can't beat studying free material for an $80 global Microsoft exam. So what actually justifies dropping hundreds of your hard-earned dollars on a single online course? The true value isn't just learning which buttons to click. You're really paying to develop an analytical mindset.
Think about it. A university master's module costs around $190. A single tool course absolutely has to offer more.
Essentially, you're paying for a true mentor, someone giving you immediate feedback, motivation, and vital networking opportunities.
But wait, isn't AI changing the game entirely? For sure. It easily answers most common beginner technical questions. As a beginner, you're mostly just absorbing facts. You only really need humans for high-level, unique obstacles.
So stop asking if you should buy a course. Instead, figure out exactly what stage you're currently at. Let's build a smart roadmap. Start out free, identify your specific bottlenecks, and then evaluate courses wisely. Step 1. Stick to Microsoft's free path. Try building a simple dashboard to analyze your own personal expenses. Then, when you finally hit a wall, ask yourself, is this a technical glitch or a storytelling gap?
If you actually need a course, demand real-world case studies, intense analytical focus, and direct instructor Q&A. Ultimately, mastering this is a personal investment journey. Invest your own time and effort first, then your money.
Test your discipline for free before spending a single dime. So what amazing things will you build today?